funky.
Hey guys, welcome back to my motherfucking channel. It's Yaretzi Aileen here, back with another video. So for today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look. My piercing is back, swollen as fuck. If you guys didn't know, I took it out, and the ones that didn't know, I had this piercing before. But yeah, so if you'd like to know how I created this look, or you just want to know the products I use and palettes and stuff like that, then keep on watching. Let's get started.
I want to get to know you better. Seems like we both belong together. You rock my body like no one there. Full force, lots of care. Rap to the rhythm as I stare at the way you move. Lots of class as you stomp and grind. I like that groove, boy, you got that groove. Rockin' in the streets to this funky beat. This funky beat. Just you and me. Rockin' in the streets to this funky beat. Just you and me. Rockin' in the streets, rockin' in the streets. 2 o'clock, the party's still going, and all my friends, they're ready to go. Turn around, though I smile at you. That's when you shine down. Forget just what you want to do. I've been late, you know obviously what I want to do to me. Why can't you see it's so easy? You and me just rocking with the beat. That funky beat. Just you and me. Rocking in the streets. Rocking with that.
I ain't losing no sleep. That was all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.